Look at it, man. It's raining rhinos and hippos! Heavy metal motorcycles and mountains with UD. Good morning, Internet. Suprabhat Antarajal. Welcome to my channel. This is with UD, being an abbreviation for heavy metal motorcycles and mountains with Uday. That's me. Thank you very much for following me on Instagram. And if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen in my stories and in my post yesterday that I was stuck in heavy showers, heavy rain, stormy kind of weather in Navi Mumbai. I've been here since 5 days now and I'm almost done. Been waiting for the rains to reduce, because the weather department said that the rains would be very heavy. They suspected that there could be landslides near Khandala Ghats and things like that. Then, right now I'm at Navi Mumbai, so my dear friend Nitin told me that don't head out right now. Might as well stay here, ride safe, and as you know me, we always ride safe, don't we? Let me show you how the weather looks right now. It's not raining, but it is very, very cloudy. It's not raining here. If you see the rains there at those borders where my fingers reach, yes, those clouds are pouring there. However, you and I are going to be very well covered in rain gear. I've got my riding gear, I've got my helmet, my gloves and my rain liners. I've already gone and loaded a little bit of stuff on my bike, and the rest of the stuff I will be loading soon. I think I'm going to ride back home today, and I think I'll take for around 4 hours to be on a safer side. You know me, I ride easy, I take it easy because rains, wet roads, I do not take a chance. Hey. All set. Well, it's still raining very, very heavily. बहुत बारिश हो रही है. अब देखते हैं क्या करना है. मैं तैयार तो हो गया हूँ. I worn my gumboots also. सिर्फ रेनकोट पहनना है एंड राइडिंग गियर पहनना है एंड रेन लाइनर्स पहनने हैं. उसके बाद बाइक के पास जाके रुकना है. I'll go and wait near Omerta and wait near the gate and pray that the rain stops. Even if it comes down to a mere drizzle, I'll be able to ride. Because the biggest problem, I'm sure all the riders among my viewers who wear spectacles would know that our common problem is, though our helmets have good tinted visors, non-fogging visors, however the spectacles which we wear inside them, they do tend to get fogged, especially while riding in heavy showers. So I don't have a choice and stop myself from riding out, when it's really pouring. So let's see if the rain continues. I think it's stopped. It's become less now. काफी कम हो गई है बारिश. अब देखते हैं क्या करना है. ठीक है, चले, निकले. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh, ready. I'll see you downstairs. Yeah. Hold on. Let me get you up. The light would be better here. Happy birthday, girl! Today is Omerta's birthday. My Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350cc. She's 5 years old today. She's finished 94,000 kilometers. Matter of fact, just 3 days ago when I arrived here. And And yes, I changed her new block piston, got her a new block piston, and she's finished 1200 kilometers using the new block piston. So, we are near the bike. Let's go and say hi to Omerta.
चलो आते रहिए।
Okay, dude.
ठीक है। Yeah,
Alrighty, bro. Sure.
So yeah,
It's time to ride back home. However, by the time I reached the bike, I got all my gear. It started to rain again. And it's kinda heavy. The only thing which is not waterproof in my entire riding gear are my gloves, riding gloves. They are not waterproof. So, guess what? I borrowed these latex surgical gloves. Never seen black ones before. And wearing surgical gloves under my riding gloves reminds me of my Leh ride, man. Well, let me see how much of road I'll be able to, cover or shoot in this rain. Because though my GoPro is waterproof, however, droplets of water settled on the lens will mess up the view of the frame. So I guess I'll use it sparingly and shoot. If I see something interesting, I'll shoot it on again. Oh man, it's still raining. Not sure I should leave in this rain. If I catch rain ahead, I don't mind. But just starting off, even 10 kilometers without rain, the start off, put me, gets me into a comfort zone. That's all, nothing else. Let's wait and see. That's right, man. It's been 5 days actually. I've been in Navi Mumbai. My work finished 3 days ago. And since 2 days it's been pouring cats and dogs, so I was stuck. But today I have to leave. Tomorrow happens to be Ganesh Utsav, Ganpati Utsav, and I would need to reach by tomorrow at least. Let me see. I'm going to wait and see if this stops in another 10-15 minutes. Then I could leave. Yeah, but I guess I'm going to encounter rains ahead anyways. So might as well leave, I guess. Oh, hi. I have reached, I've reached Khandala Ghat. It was raining relentlessly for the first 25 kilometers. After that, it was on and off. I managed that. Surprisingly, I'm at Khandala Ghat, and I thought I'd just finished around 55 kilometers, and I thought I'll just stretch out, have a sip of chai, because I'm carrying my own chai in the flask. There she is. Omerta, it's her birthday today, and riding back home after 5 days, baby. Let's rock and roll. Omerta, my love, happy birthday, baby. Mwah. घर की चाय हाईवे पे. Yummy! Obviously at Lonavala Ghat, at Khandala Ghat, the shower was very, very heavy. It was misty and visibility was not all that great, but We managed because my speed was more than 40 kilometers per hour. Alright, so you see that behind me? That's the express highway from, I rode the last 6 kilometers, the common patch on the express highway, took a left, took a detour, came to Nala, now I've crossed Lonavala, and I've reached here for a chai break. You want to see, I met someone here, hold on. Omerta is here, and looky, hey cutie pie. Had some chewies, fortunately. So, feeding a pig. Cutie pie. Good girl. She's a sweetie pie, yeah? So, let's rock and roll, boy.
Thank you for watching. If you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until the next time, don't do anything that I wouldn't